guys, we are out on the water right now on our brand new tidewater. We are heading to a little island off in the distance. We're going to see if we can catch some fish off the grass flats with some pinfish and shrimp. Let's get it done. Alright guys, our setup today is a Penn 4000 rod with a Penn 4000 reel Penn rod, 7-foot medium heavy. We have 30-pound braid and 30-pound fluoro and a 2/0 circle hook. I'm just going to tie a uni knot. These hooks are great for all your live bait out on the water. Let's see if we can catch a fish. Hey guys, we made a run to this island. If you live in Tampa, you know which island it is. But we're not going to do between these two booths where it's about 5-6 feet deep on the grass flat, and we're going to look for little pockets so we can find this fish. Trout. Nice.
Oh, get him in.
Nope, it's a trout. Oh, it's a nice trout. We're gonna put him on the measuring tape, and that was on a pinfish, guys. Beautiful. Dad, put a pinfish on. They're here.
Wow, he's so pretty.
Guys, 16-incher. Slot trout right there. Gonna get him a release on him.
Hey, pinfish.
Oh, do you want to touch him? Yeah, you want to touch him, bud? He's smart. Thanks for biting, buddy. See you, dude. There we go. Trout? Trout. Nope, not like that. There you go. Nice, Dad. So you go under here because they have sharp teeth and you squeeze them tight.
Squeeze tight with your hands. Very slow.
Hey guys, we're at our next spot. We had a couple trout at our last spot, but nothing else bit. So I guess we're gonna go somewhere and try to see if we can capitalize on any more fish. Alright guys, just caught a nice little red. Gonna get a release on him. Sorry I did not get him on video, but we're beached at this island. Just gotta release him. Alright guys, so we are over reef right now, and it was crazy, so we didn't get to film a whole bunch of it. But in all, my dad caught a trout, my mom caught another catfish, and we were just on a whole bunch of other fish, and it was crazy. But let's see if we can get some more trout. Oh, you want that?
No, that's a
sea
sea bass.
Nah, wait.
I've never seen a sea bass.
That's not a. No way, that's a sea bass.
That's a bass.
Are you sure?
Aw, you're so cute.
No. Sunfish is a.
It's got a weird fin on the
This
top,
looks
though.
like a little strawberry grouper. Oh, there.
It's a new breed.
Guys, just caught a really nice trout. The rain's coming and we're just trying to stay away from it. But we still have a ton more bait left. See if we can get some more. over there. No need for the net.
Yeah.
There's crushed shrimp. Alright guys, that is going to do it for today's video here on Real Blessed. We hope you enjoyed. We caught a ton of inshore species